welcome back to my channel. It's all there. So now that we're on summer, I decided to start my video with a makeup tutorial. So this video officially was gonna be a Met Gala inspired makeup tutorial, and I got inspired by Emma Watson, and I just got inspired by her, but it can still work for a summer makeup look, and I completely love how it turned out, you guys. It's just very colorful, very summery, and very fresh, and very dewy, and just everything that you want in summer. So hopefully you guys like this video. It was really fun making it. My friend was a little bit shy at first, but then she released her inner model, which I thought she did an amazing job. So hopefully you guys like this video, and without any further ado, so we have our beautiful model Leslie right here. And starting off, we're gonna do her eyebrows. I really didn't have to do much since she literally has amazing eyebrows. I then proceeded to clean her face with a Burt's Bees wipes. Continuing with the eyebrows, I concealed them with my MAC paint pot, and then I also concealed the eyelids. So I'm very excited to finally use my Rivera palette. I know I'm a little bit late to the trend here, but better late than never, right? The first color I'm gonna be using on the crease is Estate. Then I'm using Monte Carlo all over the lid, and I'm really going to intensify it, so don't be scared to literally go in. For a little dimension, I use a little bit of coastline right in the hollow of the lid. To finish the whole look, I use Sails for the eyebrow bone. Moving into the face, I'm going to spray a little dewy set from Anastasia. Clearly she loves it because literally that face, you guys, is full of enjoyment right there. And of course, I use Dr. Pores No More to cover all the little pores. And for the primer, I use Wet n Wild Mattifying Primer. For foundation, I use Fenty in the color 140, and I'm just going to blend it with my beauty blender. A little technique that I like to do is go with a small blending brush and just go really in where the beauty blender can't get in, if that makes sense. Then I'm going to conceal with my Holy Grail concealer, which is my LA Girl. I'm then going to bake under her eyes and just set her whole face with some powder. To finish the under eyes, I'm taking Monte Carlos again and blending it with State. And of course, we can't forget some amazing eyelashes for this look, and there you go. So it's time to make her bronze, literally Barbie bronze. So we're gonna use my Hoola bronzer, which is honestly one of my favorite ones. And in 3, 2, 1, her hair is done. Also, I was very excited to use this palette because I have heard great reviews about it, and believe me, you guys, it did not disappoint. I was completely shocked on how pigmented it was. So for the blush, I use Coral, and for the highlight, I use Glisten. Literally, you guys, I was legit shook of how much pigment it had. Oh crap, I think I went a little bit too crazy.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I was like,
I can fix this.
I feel like I'll let him figure it out.
And to finally finish the eyebrows, I'm gonna use my clear Anastasia brow gel. And I like to leave it for last just in case that any powder did go into the eyebrows. I can just dust it off with the gel. As for the lips, I use e.l.f. to outline her lips. Then I use Viper from ColourPop. And for that juicy effect on the lips, I use MAC's lip gloss, and I also use a little bit of the ColourPop lip gloss. Lastly, don't forget to set your face with a lot of setting spray, and then you're done with this beautiful look. So that was it, you guys. Hopefully you guys liked this video. Hopefully you guys like my first summer video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below and comment something down below. Comment literally whatever you want me to record, and I'll do it for you guys. But for now, thank you guys for watching, and thank you for clicking on this video. And get ready, because summer is here and I have a lot of ideas that I want to share with you guys. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Smile. Smile.
I didn't hear what you were saying. I was like, wait, what? Can we do it again? I'm not sexy.
Okay. You are sexy. You just have to believe it, because you are.
No.
You look sexy. If you see what I see, ooh. La blanca, no? So you're gonna like flip it at the same time, but make it like sexy.
Let's see what we can do.
Okay.